Hi, my name's Richard and I'm the Global Technical Service Manager for Awlgrip. Awlgrip is universally recognised and trusted within yacht coatings for our outstanding quality and our unbeatable finish, and our continuous innovation. I'm excited to talk to you about Quick Build, our IBEX Innovation Award-winning primer that was developed specifically for production boat builders, new boat dealers and fast boatyard applications, so time and money can be saved throughout the painting process. Quick Build is an advanced and versatile yacht priming system that uses 6 coloured bases to deliver vast colour options to improve hiding with top coat application, fast dry times, short overcoating intervals, and the option for direct to substrate application. With Quick Build allow aluminium or fiberglass production boat builders, component manufacturers, and boatyard applicators to greatly improve their productivity. Quick Build is a 3-part polyurethane primer whose versatility allows it to function as a non-sanding sealer primer or a sanding surfacer primer by using different converters and activators. Quick Build is best used for production boat builders, new boat dealers, or fast boatyard applications that want to streamline their product portfolio. In superyacht application, Quick Build is best used in small areas due to fast drying properties and limited wet edge. Please consult with your local Awlgrip rep before using Quick Build on a superyacht. Quick Build's fast and easy systems are specifically designed for professional use and can be applied directly to certain substrates with no other primers required. Fast dry times and short overcoating intervals allow a full system to be done in a single day, from substrate preparation to top coat application. On-site training is available, as is training through our yacht paint application centres. Yacht coatings are applied in a wide range of applications. Therefore, we undertook exhaustive testing to verify where Quick Build Sealer and Quick Build Surfacer should be best used. This approach resulted in these guidelines. New or light new substrates and surfaces are recommended for Quick Build Sealer application, whereas aged substrates or surfaces that require more work are recommended for Quick Build Surfacer. Using an innovative system of 6 colour bases, black, blue, green, red, white and yellow, Quick Build can be mixed together to give a large range of primer colours to improve hiding with top coat application. 60 Quick Build colour formulations are available via AkzoNobel's digital Mix-It Cloud system, accessible at mixitcloud.com. Quick Build colour mixing can be done by volume if a scale is not available, with the use of the Quick Build colour card in North America. Quick mix volumes are also available in black, whites and a range of grey shades. We believe that Quick Build is the future of fast production boat build, component manufacturing and fast boatyard applications, and we can't wait for you to save time and money. For more information about Quick Build, please visit www.awlgrip.com. Contact your Awlgrip distributor or your local Awlgrip sales representative. As always, thank you for choosing Awlgrip.